Creating a final average column. In your course menu, scroll down to the Grade Center and click on the Full Grade Center link. This will take you to the Full Grade Center page. This page has information about your students, their grades, and columns that you've created. You have the ability to create different types of columns, manage your students, generate reports, and even work offline. To create a total average column or final average column, you're going to hover or click on Create Calculated Column and select the first choice, which is Create an Average Column. Then we're going to want to give this column a name, so we're going to say Final Average Column. And after we type that, then we can actually give it a Grade Center name, the Final Average Column. The Grade Center name is the name that will be displayed in the actual Grade Center. If you want to put an abbreviation, you can put an abbreviation there. Underneath this area, you have the option of putting a description in there, as well as selecting your primary and secondary display. Your primary display will show in the Grade Center and in My Grades. The secondary display will show only in the Grade Center. Underneath this, it shows the date created, and you have some additional options like selecting columns. You can take an average of all your columns or select particular columns in categories. So we're going to select columns and categories, and then we want to select columns that we've created. We have a column for a midterm and a final exam. So I'm going to click for midterm exam, and to the right there's an arrow. I'm going to click on that arrow, and you notice is when I click on it, it adds the selected columns to that box. I'm going to select the next thing, which is the final exam, and click on the arrow, and that will transfer or move that to the selected columns box. Then I want to get an average of all the assignments. The assignments are in a category, so we're going to go to the categories area and select assignment and click the arrow to move to the right. We have the option of weighing the columns equally or proportionally, as well as dropping the lowest or highest grades. If you want information about dropping grades, please see the tutorial on how to drop grades. As we scroll down the page, we have the option of including the column. As we scroll down, we have the option of including a running total. If we have a running total, if we have yes, it will just keep it running total. If we choose no, it will add a 0 to the area that don't have any grades. As you scroll down, you have options about Grade Center calculations, whether you want to show this information to students, or if you want to include stats as well. We can scroll to the very bottom to click Submit, or scroll to the top. I'm going to scroll to the top in this example and press Submit. This will take us back to the Grade Center. I'll scroll down and we move to the right to check to see if our column has been added. And you'll notice we have a final average column that has been added. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.